Hello, welcome back to Learn Easy English 123. Let's learn the months. January, January. Repeat with me, January. February, February. Repeat with me, February. March, March. Repeat with me, March. April, April. Repeat with me, April. May, May. Repeat with me, May. June, June. Repeat with me, June. July, July. Repeat with me, July. August, August. Repeat with me, August. September, September. Repeat with me, September. October, October. Repeat with me, October. November, November. Repeat with me, November. December, December. Repeat with me, December. Great job! Thank you for learning with Learn Easy English 123. Like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.